Hola chicos, hola a todos. I just want to greet happy 68th birthday, Ate Malu. I wish you have a wonderful day today. It's your birthday, and I wish you have more birthdays to come. Dios te bendiga, Ate Malu. Gracias. Hasta luego. Ciao.
Ate Malo, happy 60th birthday. Wish you good health and good life. Enjoy po kayo sa birthday ninyo.
Hello ate, kumusta na po kayo dyan? Happy birthday 16. Sana po ay bigyan pa tayo ng malakas na kalusugan at huwag pababayaan lagi yung araw-araw natin na gawain. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Taiwan. Dito po ako okay lang. Kahit malayo sa inyo, masaya ako makikita ko kayo na magkasama si Mami. Salamat po, maraming salamat. Happy birthday ate. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate Malu! Happy birthday! Age is just a number. Basta po, palagi lang young at heart. Ika nga, you are a warrior who has handled all the challenges in life with a smile. Kasi lahat ng trials, struggles ay napagtagumpayan mong lahat mag-isa. And I salute you for that. Thank you sa pagmamahal, ate, lalo na sa kapitan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi mo binibitawan. Kasi, lagi kang nandiyan, pag may mga problema, to the rescue ka agad. And lagi kang nakasuporta. Stay sweet and kind, and just enjoy life to the fullest. Embrace your inner youth and party on. Again, happy 60th debutante. I love you po. And hi to my Kapitan fam, especially to my Kapitan choir. I miss you all. Love kayo na ate. At lagi mapapakabait. Keep on singing guys. Hope to see you soon.
Hello, good morning to all of you. Happiest birthday, Tita Malu. May your day be filled with laughter and your heart with joy and your year with everything you dream of. And again, happy birthday po. And thank you nga pala guys kasi hindi nyo ako nakakalimutan sa mga ganitong mga masasayang araw kahit na wala ako dyan, kahit na hindi ako kasama. Kahit na, of course, namimiss ko yung mga food. Grabe, miss ko kayong lahat. And isa lang, mas masaya dyan for the friendship. Really, mas masaya dyan. Malungkot dito.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Neng. More birthday ko to comes. God bless. Ingat lagi. Bawi ako next time. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you! What will you say to Mama?
What will you say?
What will you say? What will you...
Flying kiss mo na Mama.
Flying kiss to Mama. Flying kiss. Hi, Ma. So, today is your birthday and nagsulat ako ng birthday greetings ko sa'yo. Kasi hindi ko masabi lahat. So, I made sinulat ko na lang siya. And it goes like this. To my dearest Mama, happy 60th birthday, Mama. Words can't begin to express how much I love you. You are the bravest, strongest, and most kind-hearted person I know. You've been my rock and my guide and my greatest support throughout the life. Even when life presented its challenges, especially raising me on your own without a father, you stood firm. Your love, sacrifices, and your unwavering strength have shaped me into the person I am today. You've given me more than I could ever, for not just in the way you provided, but in the way you love and care for me. Your heart is full of warmth and wisdom. You taught me the meaning of resilience, compassion, and unconditional love. And for that, I am eternally grateful. Thank you, Mama, for everything you've done and continue to do. I love you beyond words, and I am proud to celebrate this milestone with you. Here's to many more beautiful years filled with joy, love, and happiness. With all my love, your only son. Happy birthday again, Mama. And I miss you so much. I can't wait to see you soon. Celebrating this kind of wonderful life. I love you, Mama. Take care always, and God bless.